unprecedented. All 14 political parties in South Africa represented in Parliament have put their political and ideological differences aside. They've taken a decision to unite and share a common desire to keep the people of the country safe from the virus and to safeguard the economy.
The impact on the economy is going to be quite devastating. So as government, we've said we are open to suggestions, and I was rather pleased that our leaders collectively have shown a very positive disposition towards coming up with really useful proposals which we will want to take forward.
Opposition parties, while presenting their own supplementary measures to flatten the curve, also praised the government for what it's already done.
I think thanks also for the opportunity to put on the table some really good solutions which we think can help you and the Cabinet get through particularly the economic impact of this on South Africa. I'm very comfortable that the health aspect has been very well handled by Dr. Cyril Ramaphosa, our Minister of Health, and that the efforts to flatten the curve are the right ones. We do share with you the concern around the ingrained effect it's going to have on our economy.
We really want to thank the Minister of Health and the medical team, including you, Mr. President, for having responded effectively and positively with regard to this crisis we are confronted with. As the EFF, we fully support the initiative of government, and we call upon all South Africans to listen to the leadership of our government and follow exactly as we are told.
I think the most important matter for the future is how we can cooperate to prevent that we move from a state of disaster to a national state of emergency, because that is a really severe measure. And I want to appeal to the people of South Africa, that it is the people of South Africa that can play a role to prevent a state of emergency.
And we are grateful for all the facts that Dr. Mkhize has given us. And when we have all the facts, then people are able to know what the truth is and not be influenced by fake news. Truth always undermines fake news, and we are grateful for that. And maybe lastly, I must make an appeal to churches that we need to cooperate with government. What the President said on Sunday makes sense.
All recommendations put on the table will be considered, but Ramaphosa said an announcement will be made shortly about taverns and nightclubs, saying excessive alcohol intake increases the chance of infection. Abra Babia, SABC News, Parliament.